Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to flush the DNS cache in Google Chrome. Sometimes websites do not load properly, or you may see an outdated version of a web page. This often happens because Google Chrome stores DNS information in its internal cache. While this helps website load faster, it can occasionally cause problems when a website's IP address changes or when the cached data becomes outdated. Fortunately, Google Chrome allows you to clear or flush its DNS cache in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, you need to open Google Chrome. After that, copy and paste this one address that says chrome colon slash slash net dash internals slash has DNS. I will put this one address in this one video description so that you can copy it and paste it. After pasting this one address, just press enter on the keyboard. Here you will find a button clear host cache. Once you click on this button, Google Chrome will immediately flush its DNS cache. This removes stored DNS records and forces the browser to fetch fresh DNS information from the server the next time you visit a website. If you are still experiencing issues with websites, you can also try restarting the browser after clearing the DNS cache. For that, just close it and reopen it. That's it. You have successfully flushed the DNS cache in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.